So we've all heard the saying, we're the average of the 5 people we hang out with most. Well, in today's crazy times when, people are somewhat disconnected, one of the best ways to associate yourself with higher level people, whether that's higher level in your health, it could be fitness, finances, relationships, whatever goal you're going after, is to read books. And I want to share with you something that I personally do that allows me to read between 15 and 30 books per year, practically spending no time at all. Now, let me explain. So I read 10 pages per day, every single day. And sometimes I read more, but on average, I do at least 10 pages. I will not go to sleep without reading 10 pages a day. That comes to a little over 3,600 pages per year. The average self-help book, business book, I like to read self-help books because I believe, self-help and who we are is the foundation for everything. Our mind, our body, it's the foundation for our health, for our business, for our finances, for our relationships, our spirituality. 3,600 pages a year at 3,600 pages a year you'll read. If you read 10 pages a day, it might take 5 to 15 minutes depending on how slow or fast you read. That's over 15 books a year, 10 minutes a day. Imagine how much your life could change if you read books like The Compound Effect or The Slight Edge or Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, right? Or The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. Or maybe that's reading a book by your favorite author who's an eBay seller. Or maybe that's even reading 10 pages inside of a course. Imagine that. 3,600 pages a year, 10 minutes a day. I'm on page like 220 of this. I've read this. This is my 3rd time reading it. I'm going to read Think and Grow Rich for probably the 7th or 8th time after this book's done. But 15 books a year. You're the average of the 5 people you hang out with most. Of course, who we spend time with, we become, but also what we associate with. If we're watching the news or, if you watch the news all the time, you're going to be living your life in fear, right? Because it's just all fear-based stuff for the most part. If you hang out with people who are working out all the time, you're going to be working out all the time. You're going to be fit. You're going to be healthy, or you're going to be moving towards that direction. If you're associating yourself with content like stuff in The Slight Edge that's talking about how to make progress in life, how to accomplish your goals, how doing the little tiny things every single day, such as going for a 15-minute walk, giving your spouse a compliment, reading 10 pages a day, all the little things add up. They really do. Listing 5 items a day. I made a video the other day. I talked about studying the sold listings. And if you learn about 5 items a day, that's literally 1,500 new items you can learn each and every day by applying the Slight Edge principle. You'll probably notice over these next couple of weeks, in the last few weeks, a lot of my videos are pulling messages out of this book, because when you read a book, sometimes you could read a book like from a couple of years ago and you'll see it in a certain way because we interpret the book based on what's going on in our life. And now I'm reading this book a year later, I'm getting new messages. It's almost like the book has been rewritten, but it hasn't been. Reading books can change your life. Reading books can change your mind. And like I said before, everything in our life, from our health and our fitness, our finances, what we're accomplishing, our level of happiness, it's all based on us. So invest in yourself. Invest in, obviously, knowledge. There's street smarts and then there's book smarts. You want to have the book smarts and then you want to go take action and learn and acquire those street smarts as well. But this is where it all starts, investing in yourself. So read 10 pages a day. That's 15 books, literally for free. For free. Just spend 10 minutes. Don't go to sleep until you read for 10 minutes, 10 pages or 15 minutes. Imagine if you read 20 pages a day. That's like 30 to 40 pages, 30 to 40 books a year. Insane. Let me know what you're reading down below. With that being said, much love and see you in the next one. Peace.